of your wealth and act arrogantly. 2. The highly educated must not underestimate others. 3. Speak in low voice with respect to the seniors and elders. 4. Polite and chivalrous in front of ladies. 5. No one-sided talk on behalf of money. 6. Do not blame yourself in poor living. 7. Speak the necessary words and keep the excessive by remaining silent. 8. Patience is the antidote for curing anger. 9. Do not exaggerate or speak the untrue. 10. Do not tell lies. 11. Do not boast of yourself. 12. Do not criticize others. 13. Speak the subject matter and not loosely. 14. When you speak, speak with trust. 15. Be alert of what you are speaking. 16. Do not indulge yourself